Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all my Nykaa haul. I love shopping from Nykaa. I think you guys must be knowing this by now. So Nykaa had their Women's Day sale few days back and they had some amazing discounts. So I have shopped few items during the Women's Day sale, and also I have picked few items during their current sale, which is their Holi Hangama sale. So I have few items in this box that I'm going to share with you all today in this video. It's a huge box. So yeah, these are the items. I'll be showing you all one by one, and the only purpose of making this video was to tell you all that Nykaa is having some amazing offers. The products that I bought are on good discount. So in case you are also planning to buy any cosmetics or any other thing that's available on Nykaa, they have some amazing discounts going on, I think till Holi. So you can shop from Nykaa, and yeah, without wasting any more time, let's just jump into the haul. Starting with the first product, I have picked 3 products from this brand called Coco Soul. Now these are all related to shower, and these are the 3 products. So I have picked their hair cleanser, which is the hair and scalp cleanser. This is how it looks. And this brand I've seen a lot on Instagram and also on Nykaa website. So I was like seeing this brand continuously here and there, so I thought to give this brand a try. I use TRESemmé shampoo and conditioner like on my daily basis, but my conditioner was getting over and I thought to buy another one, and this brand was in great discount that day, and I think they are also having some discount right now during the Holi sale. So this Coco Soul hair cleanser, this retails for 800 rupees, and this is like your the entire range is basically coconut, as the name suggests. It's coconut and Ayurveda mix, so it has all coconut oil and then few ingredients of Ayurveda. And this is the cleanser, like basically a shampoo, and the other one is their Coco Soul hair and scalp conditioner. This is how it looks. This smells purely like coconut, and I have used this, so my hair feels really smooth with this conditioner, so I like this product. And the conditioner also retails for 800 rupees. And the third product I got is their revitalizing shower gel, and this is how it looks. This also retails for 800 rupees. All the bottles are 300 ml, so the quantity is really nice. And the offer was, if you buy 3 products, you will get everything on flat 50 rupees. So each product retails for 800 rupees. I paid 400 each for them. So it was like in 1200 I got these 3 products. And the other offer along with this was that if you purchase anything above 999, you will get a Coco Soul Nourishing Body Lotion, which is a 30 ml product, free with this one. And this smells amazing. Like, this smells pure coconut, and the texture and everything is very nice. So I got this one free with that purchase. And also Nykaa had an offer on same 999. If you shop, you will get a lipstick. Like, they had 6 options that you can choose from. So they had 2 lipsticks, a lip balm, and I think moisturizing cream or something, and I chose a lipstick. So I got Lakme 925 lipstick free, and this is how it looks. So this is a very dark brown color. I'll swatch it for you here. So this is how the lipstick looks like. I really like the Lakme 925 range. I have couple of lipsticks of the same range, but this color is like very deep brown, not something that I really love enjoying or I don't wear very often. But now since I have it for free, I'll be using this. So I think the entire Coco Soul purchase was really nice. I got 50% off, and I also got 2 products free. So that was a great deal. Moving further, I have picked 4 items from Nykaa Cosmetics itself, like the in-house brand. So Nykaa had like a great offer, which was if you buy 3 products, you will get the 4th one free. So I picked 4 products. As you can see, like I really wanted to try Nykaa Cosmetics. I have few products from them, but I had few more products in my mind that I wanted to try. So I picked these 4, and since the offer was really nice, I really saved a lot of money during this offer. So the first product I picked is the Nykaa Skin Genius Sculpting and Hydrating Foundation, and this is how the bottle looks like. It's a 30 ml bottle, and I have got the shade 01, which is pure ivory. I have heard really good reviews on this foundation, so I really wanted to try it, and that's why I've got it. And this retails for 575 rupees. And next I got their contour and highlighting palette. This is how it looks. This is the Contour and Conquer duo, and this is in the Sizzle Chisel 01, and this is how it looks. It has a very beautiful cool tone contour shade and also a highlighter. I am wearing it right now, like the contour and also the highlighter. Really love the highlighter. Like if you're someone who wants a subtle highlighter, like a small dip of the brush is something that you can go for. And if you like blinding highlighters like I do, you can always build it up, and I have built it, like I've put twice, and I'm really liking the glow, and also the contour is really nice. I'll swatch both the products for you all. And this retails for this retails for 700 rupees. And these are the swatches. See how beautiful the highlighter is, and this is the contour shade. The only thing that I didn't like is that they have only one contour shade available. Like this highlighter will go with all the skin types, but I doubt the contour shade will go with very deeper skin tones, like the very dusky skin tones. I doubt this will go, but all in all, I really like this product. And then the 2 products from Nykaa I got are the lipsticks, and these are the ones. I got the Nykaa Ultra Matte lipstick. I have one shade from them, like I've used it in my last makeup tutorial. That's a very nice pink color. I really love the formula of this range, and I've picked the other shade, which is 16 Madhu, and this is how it looks. And this lipstick retails for 600 rupees, and like I said, the formula is really nice. And this is the color, like this one. This is a very nice deep tone, like this is like a deep brick color, more towards the reddish tint. And I tried this in store and I really liked it, and that's why I ordered it online. And the next one I got is the Nykaa Matte to Last Liquid Lipstick. I absolutely love this range as well. I have also reviewed this product. In case you want to check that review, I will be listing it in the description box down below. I have the shade Dilli in this, and this one I've picked 26, which is called Sundari, and this is a very beautiful pink color, perfect for the summer weather. And also I am looking for more pink shades, like I think I have more nudes and dark red, so I want pink shades now. And this is how Sundari looks. The formula and everything is really nice. If you are someone who likes liquid lipstick, matte liquid lipstick, this formula is something that you should definitely try. And this lipstick retails for 600 rupees again. So I picked 3 items, like I picked 4 items, and the lowest value one was the foundation. I'm not able to get it now. So the foundation was free. So the 575 rupees product, that's the foundation, was free. So I think that's an amazing deal. Moving further, I have picked one more lipstick, and this one is from NYX. This is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the shade Copenhagen, and it's a very beautiful deep burgundy color. The lipstick retails for 600 rupees. I got it on 20% off, and I paid 490 for this. And now NYX is on 25% off, so you will get this lipstick for 450 rupees only. I absolutely love the formula of this one. I have 2 more shades from this same range, and I really love it. It's soft, like very soft on your lips, and yet it's matte. So this is really nice. and also this lipstick has won Nykaa Femina Awards recently. So this is their best sellers, and this is how the color looks like. It's a very beautiful deep burgundy color, and this is what I'm wearing right now. I absolutely love this color. I am not someone who wears deep colors that often, but I really love this, so I'm looking forward to wear this more often during night, obviously, because daytime this will not look that great, but I absolutely love this color. Moving towards the second last product of this haul, I've got a mascara from Maybelline, and this is the Total Temptation mascara. This is how it looks, and I have seen YouTubers rave about this mascara a lot. I love Maybelline personally as a brand, and I love their mascaras to bits, so I had to buy it. This mascara is a washable version because I prefer wearing washable versions. I cannot wear waterproof mascaras. So as soon as I saw that this one, like the washable version, is available and it's on discount, I had to buy it. So this retails for 525 rupees. It was on 25% off, and I paid just 390 rupees for it, and still this mascara is on 25% off. So if you want to try a new mascara, you can definitely pick this up. Coming to the last product of this haul, it is a very random purchase, and I've got these wet wipes from Kara. These are the cleansing and hydrating refreshing wipes in the aloe vera and mint oil version. It has 30 wipes in it, and it retails for 110 rupees. I think I've got it for 90 rupees only, and I picked it up because I want to clean my white shoes with these wipes. I have 2-3 pair of white shoes, and maintaining those shoes are very difficult, so I thought I'll clean it with wet wipes after every use. So that's why I picked it up. And also I love, whenever I buy any of the wet wipes, be it your makeup remover or any other wipes, I always buy this plastic thingy cover, because in that way your wipes are intact and they will not dry quickly. So yeah, I picked this up, and yeah, with that I finished my haul video. I hope you all enjoyed watching this one, and if you are also planning to buy anything from Nykaa, do buy it right now because you will get everything on discount. And yeah, before leaving this video, as always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I shall see you all in my next one. Till then, take care guys. Thanks for watching. Mwah.